I personally got, I think, inspiration, yeah, and then also just a feeling of community and support from being together with different women from different cultures. And then for me, I got techniques and tools to stay balanced and to stay emotionally, to emotionally support me and to stay healthy and strong. Anamarta as a teacher is really fun and also really supportive, so she makes you feel at ease, and if you have any questions she really takes her time to answer you, which is great. So you feel very safe and held in the group. And the teachings are quite exceptional, and some of them are very simple and you can use them. I did the workshop 5 years ago and I use them every day, every other day, some of the teachings. Many practices which are very simple and very efficient. So, for example, if you're feeling depleted energy level wise, there are certain practices that can help you and bring energy, so your energy levels feel more balanced and you feel more rejuvenated. And then there's the whole side of the practices that obviously have to do with yourself as a woman, your sexuality, your hormones, and balancing all of that. So they're really a fantastic toolkit to have as a woman. I would recommend the Jade Egg Holistic Practices to every woman, because it is simply really empowering as a woman to understand more your body, understand more your cycles, whether it's your menstrual cycles, your emotional cycles, your energy cycles, and to be able then to balance them